Assalamu alaikum ji. Welcome to the Mankind Malik channel.
Hello everyone. Besides traveling, today is going to be a fun day and I have to actually cut a tree. Don't like to do that, but these two trees overlap and the apple tree on the right you see basically got infected. I've been waiting for years for it to cure, but tried different things, but nothing seems to be working. So I had to let it go, unfortunately. But I will try to make sure I plant something as a replacement so I feel at ease. Anyway, if you have a better method of cutting a tree, please let me know. Well, as you saw, cutting a tree is pretty easy. All you need is a saw. You know what? I'm joking. It's a lot of hard work. But with the right company, it can be pretty interesting. And I think I have got the right company in terms of you, my audience. Anyway, 80% of work remains, 20% done. But let's hope it goes smoothly. Let's go. Well, let's go and climb up the tree. And I'm going to take you with me. And as you see, this is actually the main branch, the last one remaining. And, whatever is underneath the main structure of the tree, I'm going to put it to an alternative use. And I'm going to tell you later on. And this branch here, I'm going to cut it where it levels off. So I retain the main structure of the tree for a later use. And after some time, so, ladies and gentlemen, that was our main branch, or the last cut in terms of the main work. And basically, this tree is suffering from a genetic issue. Still looks like a tree, and all these leaves are coming off because basically I need to dispose it and make it into small sections. And later on, see this trunk, we can just leave about 2-3 inches to make it easy for us to cut, and the rest is gonna be cut right from the bottom. Let's continue.
मुझे जरा ऐसे अच्छा लगता है। तो अभी जैसे आप देख सकते हैं थोड़ी सी रह गई हैं, बस थोड़ा सा और सब्र। कहीं आप थक तो नहीं गए? मैं थका तो हूँ लेकिन कहूँगा नहीं, आई एम फ्रेश। तो आइए चले। Well, I've rested the ladder by the tree. Hope it doesn't fall. And the last small branch, this is for you. And there we are. So, the last small branch, and I'll give it to you.
and I hope you come back from the break. And as I talk to you, I really don't feel alone at all. And I say, God bless you, always. And let me just now show you what the situation is. And from the grass, I'm going to basically cut the tree from the grass about 4 inches from the ground, because I can't go any lower, because any mechanical machine or saw can't fit right away to the base of the ground. So about 4 inches, and it's pretty thick. So it's going to take some effort and some different tools, like this hand saw I'm going to use later on, and the electric straw, a bit of a mix.
आपका इंतजार रहेगा.
So I've tied them with duct tape, as you see there as well. The best thing, duct tape, work most of the time. So I got some well tied up bundles there, and let's use this machine. Well, I hope you're fresh after the break. Let's have some sips of water and move towards work.
यहाँ से ज़्यादा गहरा बन किया इसको, पीछे चले इसके, देखिए यहाँ पे खतरा है और इसको धक्का देते हैं. आइए, ये जी अल्लाह की कुदरत, ये छोटा सा दरख्त होता है, ये बढ़ते बढ़ते ऐसे बनता रहता है और मोटा होता रहता है और पौधे के बदले पौधा. तो बहरहाल इसको काटेंगे अभी, या इसको एक और इस्तेमाल करेंगे. बाद की आने वीडियो में आपको बताएंगे ये दरख्त पूरा तकरीबन ऐसे इस्तेमाल हुआ कहाँ है. पर अभी ये जो नज़र आ रहा है, ये उठा के हम इसको रखेंगे कहीं. को बराबर करना है, तो ये तकरीबन 2 इंच कट लगेंगे. तो आपको एक मैं मज़ाक के तौर पे दिखाता भी हूँ. तो ये
Well, we're going to basically try to eliminate this totally, but step by step. So we just put some cuts there, so it's easy to dismantle. I wish I had an axe, but because I don't have it, and you know, axe, that basically makes you sweat. Not easy. Well, I'm going to try it one day. Well, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, and share. I'm not going to say anything. I'll leave that to you. But anyway, I had a good hard working day, and thanks for joining us. I enjoyed your company. Thank you. God bless.